Hey, what's up guys? We're about to go street drifting in the Miata. Let me just throw you guys on my head real quick. Shoot, here we go. Don't ask me about my trunk. Oh shoot. Forgot about my cardboard. Ugh. Nice crunchy fender. Sheesh. We're just gonna do a quick street drift sesh, maybe like 5 minutes max. So we're pulling up to the first spot. Hopefully there's no cars here. No cars here. There's a lot of cars out right now, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Second spot right now. This spot's always pretty good. Not nearly enough room. Holy shit, that was fun. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. That was very fun. Oh man. See you guys later.